Hello everyone, welcome to ICT Nepal. And you know that the previous video what happened is like all my data, or I want to say that all my audio has been vanished. It is because of me only, because I thought that I had recorded with the audio, but what happened is like I had not recorded with the audio. Okay, so today I'm gonna just show you. So this will be my like last video, and this is because of the comments that I have saw that please upload one video with like to show the code, maybe I think. So let's talk about the code which we have done previously, okay, so that it will be clear for you also. And before that, let's go to the terminal and let's open the terminal and let's say PHP artisan serve to serve the location. Okay, so artisan serve. So this is ICT Training Nepal, and if you have not subscribed to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. And the one greater news is I have came with the new things like the ICT Training, one type of the website, and it will be launching soon, so that from there you can just be the instructor as well, and open the new course and browse the course. It will be like the online learning platform, and I'm working on it. Okay, so let's get started here. So let's localhost, let's open in the localhost. Let's see what we have done. Okay, so maybe it is loading. Okay, so the thing is we have done some changes, and from there I have given to you for the changes. Okay, so for this type of things you can just change however you like. Okay, we have these things, and we have the add to cart function. Okay, let's say the add to cart. Let's see it will work or not. Okay, so it is loading. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so we have the one in the cart. Okay, so let's go towards the cart and let's see what happened is the in the cart list we have the quantity one, Rolex watch price 25,000 and all total 25,000. Okay, so process to check out. Okay, so here what happened is like when you go check out, we have this order notes and we have the cash on delivery, and we just do the process to order. Okay, so what will happen is in the billing address it will go towards our backend. Okay, so let's copy this and let's paste it here. Let's see, towards our backend, maybe backend. Okay, admin, so maybe dashboard, I don't know, dashboard. Okay, we have this. Okay, so what happened is like here we have the customer details. Okay, we have this customer details and we have the payments. So in payments what happened is the payment type cash, we have done it here. Okay, so this add payments don't work here. What happened is like it will be from the customer. Okay, so let's go towards our code. So here what we have is, here we have the main file. Okay, so in the main file how does the add to cart is working? Okay, so let's talk about it here. And here I want to show the product image, product price. Okay, so we have as add to cart. Okay, so let's see. So what happened is like when I click towards the add to cart. Okay, so let's see, sorry I have not like called there. So you can do this, you can just make one route and show it here. I have shown you how to make one, right? Okay, so my laptop is also like very slow, and I think I have to update my laptop too. Okay, sorry, I don't want to say update, I want to say upgrade my laptop too. And for that, this is the pandemic situation. Maybe after 1-2 months let's see. And the other thing is, if you want to make like the website or something like that, or if you want to collaborate on the project, so that it will be earning for you and it will be earning for me also, then you can just connect with me. Okay, so and okay, done. So I will give you the link below of my, okay, you can just message in the Facebook also. Okay, so here also you can just ICT training Nepal 2019. Okay, so you can just message in the Facebook /ICT training Nepal 2019. Okay, you can just message here. Okay, so let's see. And for the collaboration of the project, you can just message in the IC Training Nepal 2019. You can search in the Facebook page IC Training Nepal and message me for the collaboration of project, and after that I will give you the details so that we can collaborate with the new projects. Okay, so let's see what happened here after here. Okay, so we'll just add the add to cart and it will go towards the cart. Okay, so what I'm going to do is here I'm going to just like making one session. Okay, so in the session I am adding these things. Okay, so how I have done this. Okay, so let's see towards it. So here is the website.add to cart function, and we have submitted, like what we have submitted, we have submitted the pop id. Okay, so add to cart and we have submitted to the pop id website.add to cart. So let's see in the web. So I'm going the process by process. Okay, what happens, okay, when we click the add to cart. So when we click the add to cart, I have made one controller like the Frontend controller, and this @ means I have the method in the Frontend controller. Okay, so the Frontend controller, you know that the Frontend controller, we have done the things in the Frontend controller. So Frontend controller add to cart, there is a function I have made. Let's go towards the add to cart function. So here in the add to cart function, what I have done is like public function add to cart request an ID. I have sent the ID and I have matched the ID with the product ID, right? So what happened is we have to know that it is the add to cart function, and we have to know that it is connected with the product ID, because we need to know that which product they are going to click or check out. Okay, so in this in here what happened is like we have done like product ID and find the ID. Okay, so the other thing I have done is like all cart. If the session has cart, okay, then what will happen, if the session has cart, then what will happen is after the all cart, okay, if the session has all cart is equal to the if the session has cart. Okay, otherwise what you can do is session get cart null. Okay, so if the session has cart, it will be in the all cart. Otherwise what will happen is it won't be. Okay, so this is like if else function. Okay, so session has cart, then okay, it will be in the all cart. Otherwise what will happen is this is the otherwise what will happen is session get cart is equal to null or equal to null. So this is the thing, these things is the new, and you have may seen in the old like Laravel also, in the PHP also. Okay, so this is the type of the if else function we usually do for the shorten of the code. Okay, so the cart is new cart and the old cart. Okay, so these things I want to show you. Okay, so from this I can also do the like this also, cart equal to like cart and we have this. Okay, so we have this cart also. So here what I have done is like old cart means if the cart has the old cart. Okay, so we have this cart. Okay, so this cart up to here you can just do whatever I have said. Okay, so from here you have just seen these things, like the cart is the new cart. So this new carts means the cart which I have added in the model. Okay, so I have added in this model only so that it will be easy, right? So in the model, let's see towards our cart. So in the model, what I have done is I have made one model. Okay, and in there I have done everything. So I have not made one migration. What I am going to do here is like, this is like the temporary. Okay, so I am going to add the temporary things here. Okay, not the permanent things. Okay, so you want to add permanent things, you can add, but this is temporary. Okay, so here what I have done is like in my model, the class cart and the public items means in array I have sent the array, and the public total quantity I have sent the 0, and the public total price I have made it the 0. Okay, so first of all, in the first thing it will be 0. And if the function construct, if we have the old cart, then what they want to do is like, if the old cart, these items will be the old cart items, and this total quantity will be the old cart quantity, and this price will be the old cart price. Okay, so if we have the old cart, otherwise what happen is we will add public function add, and we have the items and we have the id. Okay, so in the add id, what happen is store item. In the store item there is an array which is the quantity is 0, price is item price, and the item. Okay, so if the array existed id this item, then store item this items id dollar. Okay, so what happens is like, if the array exists, okay, so then every time, okay, if the array exists, then store item will be the plus. So I have done this because in the one, like we have the two things. Okay, so I want to buy new Rolex watch 3 times. Okay, I want to buy the 3 Rolex, so that in the front end also or in the back end also, it won't add the 3 times Rolex. Okay, it only add the quantity. So for this is the array. Okay, so the store item price is the price multiplied by store item done and the quantity done. Okay, so what will happen is the item multiplied by price. So you know that the quantity with it will be done. Okay, so okay, so this is the normal logic things. Okay, so the other thing is, these items id will be the stored item, then what will happen is the stored item and the total quantity will be added, and what will happen, the total price will be the added in the item price. Okay, so these things we have done in the cart. Okay, after that what will happen is like, after that let's go towards here and let's see, and what will happen is like, okay, add cart, new cart and old cart, and then cart will be added. So added, I have sent 2 value. Okay, one product and the other will be the product id. Okay, so one the product and another will be the product id. Okay, so 2 value. Okay, product and product id. Okay, so it will be like here. Okay, so 2 value has been sent, and then request session put, and what will happen, this put will put the value. Okay, so this put will be the put the value cart into the cart. Okay, so what will happen is return redirect website.index. So here what have what is the things has been done. Okay, the things has been done is like, there is nothing, you just have to know that the thing is we are adding every area. Like, okay, so let's go to our set and let's go dd and let's dd this session. Okay, then you will know what is going on behind it. Okay, so here the thing is, okay, let's go towards it and let's add to cart. Okay, so what is happening here, sorry, this will be not, let's refresh it. So the request has session. Okay, so let's go here it will be show the cart list, and I just want to show the cart list. I just want to show the Rolex watch. Okay, so added. Okay, so what is happening here is like we have just put it the cart, okay, and it will show the null. Okay, but you just need to see the cart. Okay, so let's see the cart here, what is going on with the cart. So hope for the good things. Let's refresh it, and what happened is like it is adding the cart. Okay, so I'm sorry that I have done this. This is only to put, okay, this is only to session to put the cart into the cart, okay, in the new value. Okay, sorry for that. So this things is done here, and I want to say one thing also. I have gone with your previous comments, and there are the lot of the comments, and one boy has said me that you don't know about Laravel. Yes, I want to admit that I don't know about Laravel, but I know the basic things, so that I will teach someone like you. And we are my basic aim is not to just only to teach you, also to explore myself. Okay, so everyone is a learner here, so don't worry. Yes, I am a beginner always, but I know some course. Okay, so, and I just want to thank that you have just commented. So the other one has sent me the 2 hours ago, the website backend layout set was not found. Okay, so the thing is, if the layout set doesn't found, you have to see here in here. Okay, you have to see in the in like here in the resource and website backend, and we have added these things or not. Okay, so if you have added the blade things, then it won't show the not found. If you have not added, then there will be the path here. Okay, so, and another comment I just want to say that I think you don't know how to start currently, but this is not a problem. You have to relax when you explain and don't be nervous. So thank you so much for that, and it is in the episode 1. Okay, so thank you so much. And the previous things, okay, also the same thing happened when I have said the invite argument exception view backend product category dot index not found. Okay, so maybe it is because you have not added this. Okay, dot in product category dot index. Okay, here in the product category you have the product category, so you have just done the product category like here. Sorry for my voice. So okay, this thing's done. So let's go to our front controller again. And what happened after we added to cart? When we click the cart, okay, so what happened is like when we click the cart, there will be the get cart function. Okay, so what happened is, oh sorry, I just have to like, okay, refresh it. Please refresh it. Okay, done. Oh, come on, my laptop is being so slow. So when we click these things, okay, so when we click these things, what happen is like in here I have added the route. Okay, in here I have added this route. Okay, so I will just show here also shopping cart. Okay, sorry. It will be in the index. Okay, so okay, main, where is the main dot blade? Okay, sorry, main dot blade dot php. Okay, so when we click the header in this will be maybe in the header, I have just added the route. Okay, I just want to show you. Okay, we have the route website dot cart. Okay, and we have, if the session has cart, okay, then get cart total quantity. Okay, if the session has cart, then show the cart, otherwise don't show the cart. It just say that. Okay, so the session has the cart, otherwise session get cart total quantity equal to 0. Okay, so I have done this. It is because for the like cart 1 2 3 4, so I have done this for just counting numbers. Okay, so if session has a cart, count it, otherwise don't count it, your choice. And I have make the one route called the website.cart. It will be like here this is the things. Okay, so we have the cart list here, and it will change how, like we have just called the route website.cart. So here we have just called route website.cart, right? Website.cart, and it will be in the get cart. Okay, so in the get cart, if the session has cart, then so the product will be the null. Okay, so just send the products and the products will be the null. And if the session had the old cart or the cart new cart, then what happen is like products will be the cart's item, and then products will be the cart item, and then total price will be the cart total price. Okay, so I have done these things, cart total price. Okay, so let's see what happened is like this cart things. Okay, so we have already added this cart. Okay, so that is why I have just done this cart. Okay, so I have just take this value. So I just want to say that in my previous things, what I have done is like I have sent it in the compact and send in the value, but here what I have sent it is like in the products I have sent it the cart items. Okay, so it will be same as like the products. Okay, so just I want to show you the example. Okay, so here what happened is in the products. Okay, so the products will be equal to the cart items. So if it happens, then what you can do is like you can just copy this, and you can just make it the products cart. I just say the compact, and then you can just say by products, and then you just say total price. So what I am sending is like the value. Okay, so these are the things. Okay, so I just want to do, I think I needed more. Okay, so you can just do these things also. Okay, but for that you just have to add another thing called the total price, and it will be like this. Okay, so okay, sorry, it will be the equal to, so you can just do this or you can just do this. Okay, so it is choice, it is your choice. Okay, I'm just going to comment this one. Okay, then what will happen, it will return the view. Okay, shopping cart. Okay, and in the shopping cart view I just have done nothing but something, just like made the list, and the list with the product and price and quantity and total, and if the products have the product, and I have just made the image items product item image, and the items product name and price and so on. It is easy, maybe it will be easy for you too. Okay, so the other thing, what will happen after we click on the checkout, right? So the same procedure, if in the checkout it will be the shop null, and otherwise it will be the total price, and in the total price what will happen is I am going to check out with these things. Okay, return view, the checkout. Okay, so after that what I have done is like I have added the store order, and I have added this, I have added the store order. I have just passed the value in the store order, and I have created this from this request. Okay, I have added this all the things and customer details, and I have added the customer details ID, and in the payment which I have added in the payment. Okay, create total price is the price and the payment type and these things, and status equal to active. Okay, so these things I have just made it, and after that the session has been flushed. Okay, so this is the things, this payment means the total price from here. Okay, so I have sent it this here, and then what happened is from the checkout I have sent it to the store order. Okay, so store order means, so the store order means I have sent it to the store order, and in the store order we have two things, customer details, and we have added the payment here in the total. Okay, so these things I have just fetched from the request. Okay, so for this you don't have to do anything, you just have to make it here. Okay, just have to give your name and everything. We have these things, and I have just made it something. Okay, cash on delivery and proceed to order. Okay, so these things has been done, billing details and everything. Okay, so thank you so much for watching the video. And what happened is, like, thank you so much. I don't want to say more, I just want to say thank you so much for watching the video. And here in the checkout, you can just see here in the checkout section I have sent it this in the route. Okay, so everything is here, total price. Okay, we have a total price. I have already added these things. Okay, and I have fetched it from here. Okay, so don't worry for that. So I have just fetched it from this value. Okay, so I have made the things like the input type hidden. Okay, so you have to know that total price input type hidden. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much.